Introducing Apple Vision Pro.
Follow us along for the first ever house tour using the Apple Vision Pros. It almost feels like you're standing inside this place with us. We're at 13206 Admirave Ave, Unit F in Marina Del Rey, and when you step inside this place, you have this beautiful stacked stone fireplace and 12-foot ceilings combined with a sunken living room make for a serious vibe right off the bat. Antibes House is just under 1,700 square feet of remodeled living space and is 3 levels, the garage below us and the bedrooms upstairs. Now the kitchen is one of my favorites with these smart appliances like a stove that doubles as a dehydrator and fridge that makes 2 kinds of ice. Now the recessed lighting with built-in nightlights are throughout this house and hands down one of my favorite features that you gotta see to really appreciate. The layout is killer and open concept with the living room set below the dining room and kitchen, and it makes for an awesome vibe when throwing parties or entertaining. On the main level we have a quarter bath with an attached laundry room because ain't nobody going to the laundromat in Silicon Beach. When we head upstairs, we have 2 primary suites, both with private bathrooms. Something this video doesn't highlight because we shot it at night is how bright this home is. Check out some of our other content to see how much light flows in. Now the true primary is big. It has this awesome retreat off to the side that can double as a nursery or office. The bathroom is one of my favorite parts of this house though. We have a double vanity and awesome anti-fog mirrors with built-in lights. Look at this sink. This is one that I want in my home. Look at this cool rain effect. How cool is it when you turn it over, you have a nice stream? What other bathroom have you seen that in? The junior primary is a great size that includes a stand-up shower and an oversized wraparound closet. Antibes House sits in a cul-de-sac with only 38 other units in the development, so it's incredibly private and quiet. The walkability is next level with Trader Joe's, the Marina, REI, and so many other shops and restaurants. A car really isn't needed here. Do you want to know more? Head to the link in the description below or share this video with someone you know.